Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to create a one more video for my short problem statements. So basically today's problem statement is something like since let's say you have created a dial gauge, okay, and in a dial gauge that you find out that that's the background is white and this is somewhat gray color. So you are not able to visualize it properly. And at the same time, someone asks you that can you color this particular gauge here also? Let's say this is the value is 13,000. Let me change the font of this first. So 13,000 is there. The target is my 15K. So which has been highlighted as red. But now the business wants that this needs rest of the dial should be colored with some other color. So how we can do that, and is it even achievable? So let's say if I go to here, if you see the fill color here the fill colors is only with the blue. Okay, there is no other options to create or create any custom color for these things. So how we can do these things in Power BI? So let's get started for this. For this, we need to create a theme. We need to change the actual theme color based on this. So let's say if you go to view and you have an option for the themes also. So we have to go to this customize the current theme. In customize current themes, we have an option called name and color, which actually controls the color coordination of your dashboard. You have to go to the advanced. And generally speaking, this actually what the rest of the things are remaining, it's generally called as the third level element. And if I change the third level element to, let's say, this particular color, okay, and hit apply, if you see this color has been changed. So now it is more visualized that, okay, 13 is my actuals, the target value is 15K and the rest of the values is black. Because if it is a black, white background exactly the same way, it would, you won't be visible that thing. It won't be visible these things. For example, let me go to this thing again. Let me undo the first. Let's say this is the thing. Let's say we have some other theme. Let's say this black thing. Now you cannot see this thing right here. Even if you select any thing here, the color is not visually appealing for this thing. So again, we have to go to view and go to the customize theme. And again, advanced and third level here. The third level element is the black one. So you need to change it to, let's say, again somewhere. Let's say I want this one. Okay, the HX. You can select your HX based on this RGB and let's click and apply. If you see now it is visible, okay, that out of the total, that 17K is my blue portion, this is my target, like this. So this is how you can actually color the remaining uh, dial of your gauge chart. And it is quite helpful. Sometimes you usually get stuck, okay, I want to color this, because it's depends on the business also. Ideally speaking, it's not required, but the business want this to make it colored, then you have to do it. And this is the only way that you can color this thing. So, and to be honest, it's quite a new thing that I have also learned recently. And I just thought that I should share with you also. Hope you like this video. Follow for more Power BI updates. Also follow my other playlist where I have solved the many other problems. And this is the new paid playlist for short problems. I have called it that, when you act as a blocker for developing your dashboards. Thank you so much.